Today's tour is of Diversey Harbor. It's an interesting harbor in the Chicago system. As you can see ahead on the bridge, there's a traffic light. Because you go under Lakeshore Drive, you have to obey the traffic signal. You have to wait for the green because it turns red for outgoing when people on the lakeside, and then it'll turn green for the lakeside to allow people to come in. So into Diversey. Diversey is a powerboat only harbor and smaller powerboats, as you can see, because we have to go under Lakeshore Drive. So as we come through here, when the water level rises like it did in 2020 and 2021, the lake level was a lot higher. Some of the larger vessels from Diversey had to go to other harbors because they could not make it underneath the bridge. So we're scooching under the bridge now. Diversey does have fuel. Diversey does have a pump out. And Diversey is one of the few in the Chicago systems that has a boat launch. So as we make our way in, as you can see, there are mostly smaller vessels in here because we have to get underneath the bridge. So the yacht club here is Diversey Yacht Club. We'll show you where that is at. But the first thing we approach is the launch. It's by F-Dock. F-Dock is straight ahead. And we'll go down the alleyway for between E and F to show you the ramp. It's a 2-stall ramp. This is a no-wake area. The one thing to be careful of, to the right of the ramps, you can see it right there, do not go in that area. There is some submerged bulkheads in there, and you don't want to catch anything. The people that have the slips down there know where they're at, but there is a couple of submerged bulkheads there, and you don't want to hit anything. So we'll spin around and continue our tour of Diversey Harbor. It's late September, so there's still a lot of boats in the harbor, but in the next 2 weeks, it starts thinning out. Diversey is a very long and narrow harbor. As you can see, the floating docks don't come out all that far. So we'll head south and we'll continue. This Sea Ray up here, starboard, about the biggest boat we can get into Diversey Harbor. It's a 40 express cruiser. And when the lake is up, even he has difficulty getting in because of the bridge. So we're heading south, gorgeous view of the city. They do have a comfort station here as well. It's on G-Dock. And it's just like Montrose. You type in the code to get through the gate. You type in a code on each one of the doors for the washroom, and you have access. If you're cruising in a power vessel, they do have transients here as well. Again, it's a WestTrek managed system, so all you have to do is call ahead, make an appointment, reservation with WestTrek, and they can get you in. Okay, we're coming up to Diversey Yacht Club. The alleyway for Diversey Yacht Club is between L and K. And we'll turn down that alleyway. There's Diversey Yacht Club. They do have reciprocal privileges, so if you're a member of another yacht club, no problem. They have a galley here, mostly on weekends. They have a bar. It's a nice little yacht club in there. Mostly weekends because of being in the city. There's a lot more activity here on the weekends than there is during the week. So we'll turn around here and then head south some more.